In the heat of World War II, one aircraft broke every rule of design and performance: the P-38 Lightning. With its iconic twin-boom structure and deadly firepower, this was America's most unique and feared fighter of the skies. Today, we take you inside the cockpit, where legends were made and history was written. Developed by Lockheed in the late 1930s, the P-38 was unlike any fighter of its time. With twin engines, turbo-superchargers, and incredible range, it was not just an aircraft. It was a revolution in the skies. While other fighters struggled to adapt, the Lightning soared higher, faster, and deadlier. Step inside the cockpit and you feel the raw engineering genius. A complex instrument panel, dual throttles, and a pilot's view framed by the unique booms. This was the nerve center of destruction. For a WWII pilot, the P-38 was not just a machine, it was survival, dominance, and power at their fingertips. The P-38 Lightning became a nightmare for Axis forces. From the Pacific to the European theater, it dominated the skies. With 4 50 caliber machine guns and a 20mm cannon concentrated in the nose, its firepower was unmatched. It was this aircraft that hunted down and killed Admiral Yamamoto, the mastermind of Pearl Harbor. By the end of WWII, the P-38 had proven itself as a symbol of American air power. Over 10,000 units were built, and it remains one of the most distinctive warbirds in aviation history. Today, preserved Lightnings fly in air shows worldwide, reminding us of the courage, but innovation and determination that defined an era. The P-38 Lightning wasn't just a fighter, it was a legend carved into the skies of World War II. Its cockpit held the heartbeat of victory, and its twin boom design became an icon of American ingenuity. What other legendary warbird should we unveil next? Subscribe now to supersonic.news and stay tuned for more aviation.power unleashed.